Well, this is a fresh vanilla bean pound cake Bobby and I are fixing to make. Now, we're gonna start by creaming together 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, 3 cups of sugar, son. So while Bobby's doing that, I had 6 eggs that we're gonna separate. And we're gonna use the whites and the yellow.
2 sticks.
But
1 cup, 2 sticks.
Yes. But these are going in at different times, y'all. So this one last egg. And while Bobby is creaming the butter and the sugar together, I'm gonna be sifting our cake flour, y'all. I'm gonna start with 3 cups of cake flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bobby, if you'll be doing your vanilla bean while I'm sifting the flour, please. So I'm gonna take my spatula and just turn our flour, baking soda, and salt.
And this is what it looks like, the inside.
Yes, look at that. My goodness.
Straight vanilla bean.
Smells incredible. Now I can just hit it with the side of my hand. All right, so I'm gonna measure us out 1 cup of sour cream. Well, I would turn that up, son, and cream it just a little bit more.
Okay.
At a little bit higher speed. And I'm gonna put our sour cream in this bowl. All right, now while you're creaming away, Bobby, I'm just gonna beat our egg whites until they're kind of frothy. And this will be one of the last steps that we do before we pour our batter into our bundt pan. We're just gonna fold these egg whites in. All right, Bobby. I am gonna now slip you in 1 egg yolk at the time. All right, ready for another one?
What's the reason behind only doing 1 egg at a time like that?
It gives it time to build up the air.
Because I think most guys, we would just pick that up and just dump all of them in there at the same time.
There's a good chance that's what y'all might do.
Very good chance of that.
Turn it up a little bit higher, son. All right, let's add the last egg. Now, the next step for us is to add our flour with our sour cream, and we're gonna alternate those 2 ingredients, y'all. And we're gonna start with flour and end with flour. All right, Bobby, now we can turn that down, son. There you go. All right, so we're gonna start with flour.
Maybe a big tablespoon of sour cream?
Perfect.
And now finally I'm gonna add the last of it.
And then I've got the last of the flour.
Okay.
You can turn it up 1 more speed. To stop your beating process, turn that all the way to your lowest speed, please, on the mixer. And then unlock your mixer. And then lift that up and let your batter slowly release itself from the beater.
I so want to turn this on high right now.
Oh, I know you do, son. I know you're dying to turn it on. Whoa! Bobby, you little devil. All right, now what I want you to do is take these, oh, excuse me.
You got me back.
Got you back. What I want you to do is take these egg whites and fold them into our batter.
All right.
And you know what I mean when I'm telling you to fold.
I do.
Hold the bowl for me while I dip.
Okay.
Bobby, I know you remember I got a call from Oprah.
Yes, ma'am.
Telling me that she would like for me to do a surprise drop-in on her show for this young man that had lost his twin brother to cancer. And it turned out that I was his favorite one on Food Network, and he would love it if he could meet me. And as a surprise to this young man, I walk out on stage. I immediately fell in love with him and asked him if he would come to Savannah and see us. Now that we've got it in the pan, we're using a cup of slivered almonds that we're gonna just pour right on top of that batter. We're gonna put our pound cake in a 325-degree oven
For an hour and 15 minutes, y'all.
This is my friend Aaron. And Aaron is the one that lost his twin brother. But you know what? Aaron's a very lucky guy. He has another older brother, and this is Bryce, y'all. Bryce is down there helping Bobby. They're gonna take our cake out of the pan and get us some plates. So guess what? You and I gonna eat cake, buddy. So Aaron, catch me up, baby. When I was with you on the Oprah show, you were baking cookies, taking cookie orders every week. So how many different kinds of cookies you make, son?
Chocolate chip, chocolate gooey butter, oatmeal raisin, crispy oatmeal, and butterscotch chip.
That sounds good to me, son. Earlier in the day, Bobby and I made a wonderful fresh vanilla bean pound cake. So what you and I are gonna do is make a black cherry sauce. All right, I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar, Aaron, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Aaron has got our zest up. Now our flour and our cornstarch, you wanna just take your whisk and whisk that together. And I'm gonna be measuring out a 1/2 cup of black cherry juice, okay? This is gonna get thick on us very quick. See how thick it's getting? All right, now I'm gonna add 1 package, and this looks like about 2 cups of a black cherry. Look at that. Stick your finger down in there and taste that and tell me.
That's gonna be hot. Don't.
Well, he's got tough hands. He's a
Burning
baker.
himself. Don't go deep.
That actually just tastes pretty good. Tastes like cranberry juice.
Yes, it does. So see, don't ever say you don't like something till you try it. Right, Bryce?
All right, well, you did that part. Now Bryce and I are gonna do the cool part. We're ready to take this pound cake out of the pan, and there's only one way to do that. Bryce told me he's never done it before, so this is gonna be the first time. You ready?
Okay, I'm gonna turn up the heat, so don't think you can quit stirring, okay?
Let's get that.
Because when we
Big old knife
added
out of the
our
way.
cherries, there was still a lot of juice in it, so now we got to let that tighten up.
Yep. Okay, ready? Set.
Yay!
Good job,
Bryce, you're the man!
Good job.
Y'all don't wait on me.
We're not.
Don't worry, we won't.
Don't worry.
Too good.
Growing boys down here are eating.
You like it, Bryce?
I love it.